Nityanandam. We welcome all of you watching us today live. I am Ma Ishapriya, here is
Sri Ishapriya.
And we are both right now at the Nityananda Peetham, Bengaluru Adina. And we are both Adina Vasi at the Nityananda Peetham, which means that we live here and we live with our spiritual master, who is His Holiness Zia Avatar Paramhamsa Nityananda Swami. So today you will see there is a very beautiful ratham at the background. So what is a ratham? Ratham means a chariot on which normally we carry the deity for procession during procession time. So normally in a temple you have the deities that you are worshipping. Normally it's larger, huge in size, and then you will see always a smaller deity placed in front of them. Those smaller deities are the deities that can be are movable, which means that you can move them so that you can take them along with you, place them in beautiful ratham, do their alankara beautifully, and take them for procession. So right now at the Nityananda Peetham, Bengaluru Adinam, we are celebrating the Raja Rajeshwari Brahmotsav. So who is Raja Rajeshwari? She is a Devi. She is a form of Adi Shakti. She resides in the Sri Chakra, and she is here to bestow everyone of joy of living. So yesterday there was a beautiful procession. Raja Rajeshwari was on the Ashwa Vahan. Ashwa means a horse. So every day she's on different Vahan, different chariot. On could be that one day she was on the elephant, the other day on the Nandi. So we keep on changing different Vahana, her alankara, everything, her dress, her setup is changed. And she goes around whole Adina, and everyone come and offer. They offer fruits, whatever they can, to the Devi. Each team come and offer during the procession time, and we receive her blessings through kumkum and bhasma. So as we were mentioning before, Swamiji is here to revive Sanatan Hindu Dharma in all its aspects, all the form, whether the way we dress ourselves, what we are eating, the way we are doing prayer, the way we are teaching in the Gurukul, even the way we do any ritual at the Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Devasthanam. So we follow strictly the Vedagamic culture. And as you see, he invests a lot. We have the Sacred Art University where all those beautiful ratham are built here, and Swamiji love always celebrating, like, you know, Sanatan Hindu Dharma is a lifestyle of celebration, and he loves that whatever prayer we have, it should be celebrated in a grand way. So today we are already the 7th day of the Brahmotsav. Normally it's a 10-day program, so we have 3 more days to have the blessing of Ma Raja Rajeshwari with us here at the Nityananda Adinam.
Yes, and also like we are enjoying and celebrating every day. The kids also here are very amazed by, they want to participate. So every time they will come, take their trishul or anything for procession, singing, dancing, and even if it is at night, like depending on the day, there is different time that needs to be done for a procession as per the scriptures. So even if it is night, they will walk all around, not getting tired. So this is very amazing here.
Yeah. So the procession goes like the whole ratham. Right now we are at the daytime, but at night the whole ratham is just lit up very beautifully. So beautiful lights all over, colored light, and there would be the Rudra Kanya and the Rudras are participating, preparing for it. As they come, there will be the traditional music instrument with them, and playing it loud, getting the attention of everyone, and everyone is following with together. So it's really a nice way of celebrating happening here. And procession is the way we celebrate for all program, major prayer time here, whether it's Ganesh Chaturthi, whether it's Navaratri, any program we have. At the end we have to take our deity and let's make them make a round around, and let's everyone be blessed seeing them having their darshan here.
Yes, and also in the background there is lots of preparation because the deity is very heavy. We have to use crane to transfer them from one vahana to depending on which vahana we are using, and also all the preparation, the decoration, the fresh flower every day, the dressing, everything is Swamiji is giving the best and want to us to use the best for all rituals.
Yes. So this was a bit of sharing, like what Sacred Dot University does. I think we can get a closer look at the beautiful horses, the intricate design. Like how procession are done in big temples here around in India. Here also we are keeping this tradition alive. So thank you for watching us, and if you have any comments, anything you want to share, do let us know. Thank you, Mama. Mama also is watching us from Mauritius, and we have lots of people watching us. So a big hi to everyone. Thank you for watching. Nityanandam.